It's just about your confidence, it's about your vision, it's about how much passionate you are, how big you dream, and how you own up your dream. Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. So today we are shooting yet another day in my life as an architect, as an entrepreneur. The main focus or the theme of today's video, it will revolve around women. Women in business as an entrepreneur, and also how they can be the spine of the major corporations or MNCs. So yes, be a part of my journey. Let's get this started.
Hi, I'm Pratiksha Leader.
I am Shauna.
I am Mahima Kapoor.
This is Simran, a Space and Architect.
I'm Space Life Architect.
Space 5 from Space 5 Architects.
इसका मतलब भी आपको काम because we are handing over site and now I think just few weeks apart from the handover na 2 weeks apart from that. Yeah. Okay. So all the girls in the conference. Hi, good morning everyone. I hope I didn't make you wait much. Okay, I am very proud that being a part of Space 5, I have majority of, like you can say 70% are women who are working with us, right? I don't want to make it more like a teacher's advice for you, but what do you guys think as interior designers, as the women, the future women business entrepreneurs sitting with me right now? So I want to know, yes, Mahima or Savitri, what do you think, like as a woman, how do you see yourself, let's say after 5 years from now?
Yeah, I want to be a successful architect.
Yes.
And like people, they have an opinion in mind that like girls are not meant for construction. Okay?
Yeah, they do.
Because they can't do site visits and they can't
Handle
interact
contractors
with
and everything,
contractors
yeah.
and laborers. But that's a myth for me.
So we think like it's all in our mind that other people are not taking you seriously.
Like
or probably
women are, I feel that women are very shy.
How
very
we're shy.
scared.
We just
Very
have to
scared.
come. We just
Yeah.
have to come out of the box
Yeah.
and just be there, be
Yeah.
confident,
Be
yourself.
there.
It's about
Just with the
confidence.
world.
It's about confidence.
And we can do everything that men can do,
Yes.
and we can do them in heels.
Yeah. We all know what we want in life. Now, I want that in today's day. We'll be heading over to sites. We have a major project handover which is there in around 1 month. We'll be going to Mr. Bhutani's residence. I want to see that my major DRP Pratiksha and Mahima have been on it. I hope you're all ready with the site because I don't want any hustle at the end of the day. So we'll get straight to the site. Post that we'll be having a design meeting, an execution meeting, and there is a prospective hotel client on which I think you're already working, right? So we'll meet up with them and let's see how the day goes on. Yes, we are good with it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
क्या पहुंचते हो वहाँ पे? सिमरन, मेरा तो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर भी आ गए हैं हमारे 10 मिनट में। ठीक है। प्रिंस कहाँ है? I got the file.
Okay, let's go.
Are you sure? Yeah. Take the file. I'll take the print.
I'll take the note.
Please keep them back.
Okay guys, so now we are headed to Mr. Bhutani's residence. It's one of our upcoming project. The client expects to move in around 3 weeks from now. So there are going to be major inspection on site. We are going to check the final finishes. So let's see you direct at the site. not personally satisfied with those.
I think black would get
But my ma'am,
वैसे तो मेरे highlighted हो मेरे मैं ताड़े frame ਨਾਲ satisfied नहीं होंगी. हाँ, it's looking better at least.
but that's not finished now. I am not put के साथ ऐसी बनाई.
मैं तो जगह ना फिर
ये तो ठीक लग रहा है हम ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਤੇ better ਹੀ ਹੈ. थोड़ा काला काला ही लग रहा है.
मैं तो नहीं
हाँ हाँ. ये तो ठीक लग रहा है.
But I think it's like on the monotonous लगेगा
हाँ.
क्योंकि wall भी
Multiple,
हाँ.
Then I guess black would look
Contrast
better.
is
Maybe
important.
black. I think black.
I think the contrast is very important. हाँ, and fairness of it. And what they have done is इन्होंने veneer के ऊपर वो चीज
But I feel like अब ये चीज़ अगर natural रखो ना, then only it will look nice. Because grey like looks
You all give your input to
हाँ,
her
of
just so that they can figure out. Okay, so now this is the second site of the day. So basically, the client plans to make an outhouse, a kind of a party house where they can just chill and to be a part of the house as well as segregated from it. So I have my team here who have already done the initial designing of it, and I am going to discuss the leads with you so that we are all on the same page. Like we all are discussing the same thing, and I want to come up with the design. So just show me, Mahima, where have you planned that, so that I can check the demarcation once. That I want to know where are you exactly placing the outhouse.
Like I want to give a twin thing because like I want to give an like open sitting over in the pergola area and then outhouse here.
So that you
So-
want that the entire thing they can walk from the outhouse and they can take the step into the pergola.
Yeah.
So I think that's the one unit. I think this will look perfectly fine here.
Yeah.
We can come across that outhouse thing over this. That will look good for the barbecue zone and also will become a part of the landscape.
Barbecue zone can be done in the pergola.
Yeah.
Pergola as well.
That's a better
Yeah.
option. I think she has a point that let's shift the barbecue zone over this pergola so that because we already have one place.
Yeah.
Why wasting this place?
Like barbecue is for like some night or night theme or winter theme. Like,
Yeah, so let's do this. We can take the barbecue and the play oven over this side. Because it is already the pre-existing pergola. And let's give a good hedge right above it. What do you think? This hedge will again make it merge with the landscape.
Yeah, or we can give a glass. over
Glass,
the top.
yeah, glass or maybe a hedge so that I want that it should look a part of the landscape. So this is a good idea. I like your proposal for the barbecue over this zone. Then outhouse we can take to this that side. That will look really good for the outhouse concept.
And actually, I'm thinking of an outhouse there with the barbecue theme there. Okay, so like we can do it in the summers also and winters also. Because in winters we like some barbecue nights or something. Or even I want that the outhouse should be in a vintage theme with the like cottage style thing. Okay, so with a fireplace in it, very cozy there.
What I love is these Victorian kind of frames. It's like a nice. You get a place even for placing your pictures, and otherwise it's a very Victorian
And
style.
also these lights are like really pretty, like they blend with the vintage things that they
The entire concept is very vintage. Yeah. Nice. What should we talk
Is this a lighter color at the back and the golden color?
Yes,
is-
yeah, yes.
That's a darker color on the
Yes.
back and lighter color.
That's what
I think that's like looking much better. Like
Even-
rather than going with one.
The same thing that I told you for her one. That we go for the cornices and the back will be in a different color.
It has
That's why it's standing out.
Yeah, but we are painting here and all.
Yeah, a big, huge thing.
Painting with a light on the top.
that
It
will
looks
look
amazing. So that vibe is very oriental and
Also they use a natural stone like
Natural
painting.
thing.
हाँ.
Although it's a very small residence, but the way it is planned, we have given appropriate double heights, then we have given huge
And
natural
this
light.
is the focal area.
And this is the main
Once you
focal
enter, you
point,
will look
yes.
at it, and like other walls
better.
And the lighting is also very nice.
Everything is like, all the lights are around 2700 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin. We
Wow,
wanted to make it
warm
warm
light.
and more cozier. So we didn't
Even
want
the lamps you have used, everything is
everything.
house is something that you stay there, and it is something that it is the way you feel.
Yeah.
So your house should reflect who you are,
your
and
personality.
yeah.
So I believe that if I am able to inspire even one woman out there, I would consider my vlog to be successful, because there's so many women who are just waiting for some sort of permission to go after their dreams. My only advice would be that you just gotta dream big, and there's no one who can stop you from achieving what you really want in life. So yes, own up your dreams and go for it. I am Simran Bopara and hope you're enjoying my vlogs. Today we were more about women in business, how they can be backbone of such a big business firm. So yes, to all the people, interior designers, architects, budding entrepreneurs, women, we are there as one support system who can really uplift the society. So yes, thank you for watching. If you want to see more such vlogs, you can subscribe to my channel and do leave in your comments below. Ta-ta!